always tracking, always alerting. This is Storm Team 8.
Okay, yesterday was a gorgeous day. Sunshine, our warmest temperature so far of the year at 74 degrees in Grand Rapids. And right now we're going to enter an active pattern. You saw it kind of develop last night. A lot of wind and some showers and thunderstorm activity, although most is to our north. Right now, most is to the south of Grand Rapids. And some pretty strong thunderstorms moving out of Eaton County away from our viewing area right now. So good news there. Still a severe thunderstorm warning for central and southern portion of Ingham County till 5:30. Here's a live view. And every once in a while, if you look closely, right on the horizon there, you'll see a flash of lightning. Come on, 1, 2, 3. Not going to happen. Oh, right there. You saw just a little bit. The sky lit up there with that lightning and that stronger cell off to the east. Right now, you can see what's really the setup is. A lot of warm temperatures off to the south, cooler temperatures to the north, dividing line splitting right across lower Michigan. So that's going to be the focal point of more shower and thunderstorm development, the clash of those two air masses. You can see Big Rapids right now, 54 degrees, 67 currently in Grand Rapids, 68 in the Holland area. And I think our temperatures will pretty much stay right around the same right on through the rest of the day. Pretty strong wind gusts right now at 46, not as a result of a thunder shower, just a plain old wind gust out there. 41 in South Haven, 31 in the Grand Rapids area. Area of low pressure kind of occasionally will ripple right along the stationary front, enhancing some of the shower and thunderstorm activity. And you can see a fair amount of clouds out there. I do expect the clouds that went out today and occasional showers and thunderstorms. Well, I think right around or shortly after the noon hour, we'll start to see more development of shower and thunderstorm activity, and that could, again, bring in some isolated thunderstorms that could produce some severe weather. That's likely the cold front right in through here, and I'd say a lot of it's going to wind down right about 8 o'clock tonight. So the window about 1 p.m. to 8 p.m. Today for the chance of severe weather. What is that risk? Well, it's a slight risk just north of Holland up towards the Grand Rapids, Rockford area up towards Greenville and points to the south. Marginal risk up to the north. Again, it's hail and also some gusty winds up to around 60 miles an hour will be possible with that. In terms of the rain, some good soaking rain. It looks like in many locations we'll pick up around a quarter, maybe 3/4 of an inch of rain. And there's even a lot more in store for us. We get a break on Wednesday with mostly cloudy, partly cloudy conditions. Tomorrow will be cooler, but look what's heading our way for Thursday. Another system, another warm front approaching, another area of low pressure. Initially just north of Grand Rapids during the morning hours, could see a little bit of freezing rain. I think Grand Rapids will be all right. And by the end of the day, we'll finish with temperatures well up into the 60s, probably some 70s south of Grand Rapids. So back and forth with those temperatures in the 8-day forecast. Quiet on Friday. Another storm system moving in for Saturday. Right now, Easter Sunday, morning flurries and cooler. Tom?